Hello, my dear doctors and medical students. Welcome back to the episode number 1 of Guess the Answer Challenge. The rules are so simple. I will show you 4 clues for each and every question, and you have to guess the answer related to that clues. So, are you ready for the challenge? Let's get started. Clue number 1 is I am one among the organelles present in the cytoplasm of your cell. The second clue for you is cis and trans are the two faces of mine. And the third clue is I will allow your body's glycoproteins and lipids to modify and process within me. And the final clue to guess is post office of the cell and shipping department of the cell are the well-known names of mine. Guess me, who am I? The options are lysosomes, ribosomes, Golgi apparatus or mitochondria. The correct answer is Golgi apparatus. The first clue is V are the non-nucleated disc-shaped component of your blood. The second clue is when your blood is taken out from the vessels, we will pile up one above the another. The third clue is 4.5 to 5.5 millions per cubic millimeter of blood is the normal range of us in your blood. And the final clue is sometimes you might hear of us in another name called erythrocytes. Can you be able to find us? The options are platelets, red blood cells, white blood cells or hemoglobin. And the answer is we are red blood cells. I am an artery in your body and my journey begins from the outer border of your first rib to the lower border of your teres major muscle. Superior thoracic artery, anterior and posterior circumflex humeral artery, lateral thoracic artery, subscapular artery and thoracoacromial artery are the 6 branches of me. Into my medial side, you can see the presence of ulnar nerve, axillary vein, medial cutaneous nerve of arm and forearm. And finally, I am the continuation of your subclavian artery. Guess me, who am I? The options are axillary artery, brachial artery, ulnar artery or radial artery. The correct answer is axillary artery. I am a triangular box situated in your upper limb. Your radial artery crosses me before showing its entry into the palm. You can see the muscle abductor pollicis longus and extensor pollicis brevis as my lateral side neighbor, and my medial side neighbor is extensor pollicis longus muscle. If you look at the posterolateral aspect of your wrist, you can see me as a triangular depression. Guess me, who am I? The options are palmar aponeurosis, extensor retinaculum, flexor retinaculum or anatomical snuff box. The right answer is anatomical snuff box. I am a pathological sign seen in upper motor neuron lesion. I am also considered as normal in babies and also if you are in your deep sleep. Normally, if anyone scratch over the outer edge of your sole, you can see your toes will respond by plantar flexing of the big toe and adduction of all other toes. Whereas in upper motor neuron lesion, if someone scratches over the outer edge of your sole, your toes will respond by dorsiflexing the big toe and fanning of the other toes. Guess me, who am I? The options are Clonus, Hoffman sign, Babinski sign or Gordon sign. The correct answer is Babinski sign. B are non-nucleated spherical shaped components of your blood. V live in your blood for only 8 to 11 days. Agglutination, adhesiveness, and aggregation are the three unique characters of us. And finally, 2 lakhs to 4 lakhs are the normal range of us in your blood, and we are also known as thrombocytes. The options are red blood cells, white blood cells, hemoglobins, or platelets. The right answer is platelets. And one among the parasitic disease of South America. I will hit your children hardly through my acute form by producing fever, conjunctivitis, increasing their spleen and lymph node size, and make their cheeks swollen unilaterally. Even I may end them fatally by producing the symptoms of meningoencephalitis. And my chronic form is seen only in adults. And I was caused by a parasite known as Trypanosoma cruzi, and my incubation period is 7 to 14 days. Guess me, who am I? The options are Chagas disease, Kala Azar, malaria, or amoebiasis. And the answer is Chagas disease. I am an important point present in your chest. You won't get a liable place than me to count your ribs, and your trachea also divides here. Your arch of aorta begins and ends at this point, as well as the ascending aorta ends and descending aorta begins here. And it stays 5 cm below your sternal notch as a transverse ridge. And you guess me, who am I? The options are suphisternal joint, sternal angle, pulmonary trunk, or jugular notch. And the answer is sternal angle. I am one of the important part of your body. 45 cm is the length of me in males, and I was little shorter in females, that is 43 cm. I am a cylindrical thing, and I have 31 segments in my body, and each segment corresponds to the 31 pairs of spinal nerve. And I travel downwards from your foramen magnum to the lower border of the first lumbar vertebrae, and I was completely covered by a membranous cloth known as meninges. Guess me, who am I? The options are brain, spinal cord, large intestine, or small intestine. The right answer is spinal cord. While returning from the office in the evening, C saw that A and B were fighting with each other. And C also noticed that there was a knife in the A's hand. The next day, C heard that the B was killed by someone. Suddenly, C thought the killer should be A. So, C gave evidence to the police that he saw A was having a knife in his hand while he is fighting with B. And you tell me here the evidence given by the C will be considered as which type of evidence by the police? The options are hearsay evidence, direct evidence, circumstantial evidence, or oral evidence. The right answer is circumstantial evidence. Yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this video is more interesting than my older videos. And please tell me your opinion about this video in the comment section, and share it with your friends and ask them to participate in this challenge and see how much they can score out of 10 to this quiz. And for more videos like this, please stay tuned with Doctor's Quiz, and I will meet you in another episode on coming Friday Until then, bye bye, take care.